Want to bake cookies with me? We're making shape cookies, like circles, stars, and even hearts. Chef Arthur is ready to bake. Let's get our ingredients ready. Do you see the flour? Yes, here it is. Let's scoop it together. Scoop and level. Now, where's the sugar? Can you point to it? There it is. Great spotting. Let's add half a cup. And butter. Squish, squish. It's so sticky. Can you pretend to squish butter too?
Wow, looks great. Are you ready to mix?
Let's mix it all up. Can you stir your arms like this? Big circles. Stir to the left, stir to the right. Fast, fast, fast. Now we sprinkle a handful of chocolate chips in. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Grab your rolling pin. Ready? Let's roll the dough flat. Roll it one way, now the other. What shape are we making now? It's a big circle. Can you make a circle with your arms? Big round arms like a pancake. Yum! Now comes the fun part. Shape cutters. Let's play a guessing game. I'll hold one up. You guess the shape. It has 5 points and twinkles in the sky. What is it? Yes, a star. This shape means love. Right, a heart. Blow a kiss. Mwah. Push down and wiggle. Can you do that with me? Push and wiggle. Let's do more. A triangle, a square, a rectangle. Do you remember how many sides a square has? 4. You're so smart. Circles are round like the moon at night. A triangle's got 3 sides just right. A square's got 4, a perfect frame. A rectangle's long, it's not the same. An oval's round but stretched out tight. A star shines bright in the sky at night. Hearts show love from me to you. Let's bake these shapes, there's lots to do. Okay, let's put our cookies on the tray. Oven time! Be careful, it's hot, so Mommy helps here. While they bake, let's play shape charades. Can you make your body into a triangle? How about a circle with your arms? Now jump like a star. Hands and feet out wide. They smell so good. Let's play one more game. Guess the shape. It has 3 sides. What is it? Yes, a triangle. Let's take a bite. Delicious. Which cookie shape was your favorite? Mine's the star. Thanks for baking with me, shape detectives. Bye-bye.